Hey y'all, so as old as I am, I'm just now learning how to do my natural hair. Like, I'm so used to wearing wigs and braids and weaves and all that, so I'm tired of it, okay? I'm tired. So here is a week of how I wore my natural hair. Oh, it's going fast. This is the second day I wand curled it. You see how it started off the week? This is like the third day. I do my anti-breakage spray oil my hair down. And I'm gonna just say this now. If you say anything about how fat I am or fat my arms is, yes, I'm very self-conscious about it. And I know. But back to the hair. For this week, I just wore the same style. I just kept like fixing it up right before I took my kids to school. I just brushed it up after I sprayed that oil, fixed it up, and I was out the door. Like I said, I don't really know how to do my natural hair, so I just kind of go with the flow. If I do a braid and it look good, then I'm going to just pin it up and leave it. You know what I'm saying? But y'all see this length? Like, in another 3 years, 4 years, I should be butt length. Like, come on now. I'm at the bottom of my bra strap. Oh my God, all this oil and pimples and grease, that shit paid off. I was supposed to have this video edited and voiceover. I had it edited, but it was edited. Am I saying that right? I had the video edited, but I needed to do the voiceover and it had deleted. I got a secret to how I grew my hair this long. Because, yeah. I had a freak accident at a hair salon thing and the lady burnt my hair out. Well, not burnt it out, but it was heat damaged. And my secret is kaleidoscopes. Like, those drops and shit, like, it works for my hair. But anyway, this is like, what, Thursday? Y'all seen my body right now? I wasn't doing my hair in that video. I was brushing my teeth because the power had went out. And yeah, I was just like, let me just throw this up in a ponytail. Same thing. That's the back of my neck. I want to undercut, but I'm scared to cut my hair. But yeah. I'm not talking much about my hair because I'm doing the same thing every day. After I had my baby, I left my hair in braids and blah, blah, blah for a couple of months. This is going so fast, y'all. And I didn't really experience postpartum shedding because I took my prenatals. So when I took my hair out, I had retained all this length. And y'all, yeah, I don't know if y'all ever seen my YouTube videos, but I had just cut my hair, right? And it was way shorter than this. And look how much it grew. And I love to cut my hair. Not love, but I love trimming my hair. And it grew it out. But enjoy.